and punches thrown. When the woman being beaten gets off the ground, she tries to rip off her assailant's windshield wiper. Then she jumps into her white car, which she proceeds to use as a battering ram. Oh! Watch as she slams into the BMW, targeting the passenger door. The driver does her best to close the door and get the heck out. No luck. The demolition derby isn't done yet. The duel continues outside the parking lot. Have you ever seen such a thing? It doesn't end yet. As the white car drives off, she slams into a fire hydrant. Water gushes out like a fountain. A demolition derby, and one of the worst cases of road rage ever seen.
Ну что, ты вправо уходи.
Я оставлю координаты.
Я вот это видео в ГАИ отправлю.
Отправь, прямо сейчас, быстрее.
Сейчас я отправлю.
Давай, быстрее, быстрее.
Блядь, себе. Есть! Бабу!
Прямо едь, блядь, сука, прямо нахуй! Там знак висит, блядь! Там знак висит, блядь, прямо едь, нахуй! Ты конченая какая-то, блядь! Шо, блядь, дура, я хуею, блядь! Там вообще-то знак висит, только прямо и направо. Там налево поворачивать нельзя. Вы создаете пробку, блядь, очень большую, аж за мост. Ничего хорошего. Завтра будешь на ютубе, красотка.
Покормить. Перепадает немного. Ебаный ты в рот. Вот, блядь.
Газ. На тебе.
Это вообще как?
She's trying to park it. It's not gonna fit, you know, but I don't understand, you know. You clearly are definitely not gonna be able to get it in, and look at the angle, it's completely off. It's not gonna fit, I'm telling you. Yeah, but I've got it on video in case she hits the car or van. Let's have a look. Okay, attempt number 3. Okay, here we go. Oh, that's very close. I was thinking about it. Okay, adjust it. Yeah. Okay, that's a big fail. Okay, let's try that again. Yes. Oh, nearly there. Oh, yes. Oh, yes. Come on. Oh, look at. Oh no. Okay, so there's a car there behind, look, and if we look this side, there's a car coming on this side, van now. Okay, so let's have a look here. Look at this. Okay, let's see what's gonna happen now. Is she for real? What? Is she? Oh my goodness. So it's been about 3 minutes. Okay, let's see what. Oh, hang on. Is this attempt number 10? You're not gonna fit. I don't oh my god. And she's turned off the engine now. And just sitting there. Look at that car. That car is there. He's blocked now. He can't get past. Okay. I don't understand why he's just sitting there. You know? You know, look at this space. Look, you could go there. You know, you can go in that area or there. But no, she wants to continue blocking the road. Okay. Okay, the engine's on now. It's coming up to 4 minutes and 45 seconds. To park the car. Okay, so this guy, right. Okay, and you're still not gonna get it. I don't understand. This car has moved back. You've got plenty, but you're not gonna make it. Oh. Right, so let's try this now. The space she has is all of that there, all of that space. So let's see how she goes. Here we go. Yeah, that's it. Reverse it a little bit. Go on. Just a bit. That's it. Yeah. Oh, that's still not good. You'll have to bring it forward again. So, oh, the engine's off. Okay.